Right, so for this week's trades of the week, we're going to go through pretty much the major markets, really. Euro, sterling, Dow, S&Ps, gold and silver, just to give you a good sort of appraisal on how things are going on the longer term charts. Phenomenal moves again, and they continue to be moving very, very nicely indeed there. Original sort of pullback towards the latter part of August here for the euro against the US dollar. That pulled down to target zone very, very nicely, and now that then led to an opportunity to buy there. No sniper on that one, but it's in line with the monthly chart. So the monthly's pushing up a little bit now on euro, and this is an opportunity to buy in that direction. So trend signal line here below 25, turning from red to green, showing us that buying coming back into the market. This vector average line also turning from red to green, giving us a buy here at 132.52, now 133.61. So back up about a ton to today there. Of course, the market's gapping up on that Larry Summers statement over the weekend there. So significant rally there and a significant gap up in the direction that we wanted, of course. So that was an opportunity from the 9th of September there. Moving on very, very nicely up about 100 points there. Moving through to sterling against the US dollar, had a classic continuation long trade here on the 3rd of September there. And that market went on and hit target earlier on in the week. Classic target for continuation trade is really the top of the price envelope here. In this case, 157.92 from an entry at about 155.60. So about a 230 point rally there. The market hit that level on Wednesday last week on the 11th of September there. Actually, the market moving significantly higher. Continuation trade, we should really expect new highs, but we're a great advocate for taking profits early and letting trades run. So certainly nice profits taken in any case of 230 points, but certainly the market's moved significantly higher again as we push through excessively higher on Friday and again here today on Monday. So really nice moves again on sterling dollar. Now trend signal users just sitting there, just sitting on their hands now, just waiting for the appropriate opportunity going forward. So just sitting and waiting there. So major currency wise, very nice, particularly on those major pairs there. Looking through to some precious metals, starting off with silver, obviously the slower of the precious metals in pip terms, but nonetheless highly profitable. 23.47 there. We talked about this last week, giving us a potential shorts from the 30th of August. Stops about here, 25.15 or so. So the market giving us about 160 points stop on this trade. As far as silver goes, that's not too bad for a daily trade. And here we are now, about 200 points to the good. We've fallen there. So significant moves again on silver, really moving very much down in the right direction there. Now, why is this a trade? This is a swing trade with a sniper. Trend signal above 75, turning from green to red, and that vector average line turning from green to red. Also, lovely sniper circle, and down the market went. Sure, the market went against us for a couple of bars, but hey, that's trading. Doesn't always move in our direction immediately. It's about having your stops in the right place, having the confidence to then run those trades effectively. And here we are now down about sort of 200 points or so from that trade. Gold. Absolutely outrageous move. There was the short. 1391.1 from here on the 2nd of September. You've got to have wide stops on gold right now. My stop's at around sort of 1435. Now you may think that that's about 445 points. It's 450 points in spread betting terms. So you've got to have those stakes low. If you're going to risk 50 quid on a trade, you're going to be trading this no more than sort of 10, 11p a point. Sounds ludicrous, of course, but you know, you've got to put the right stakes on for the amount of risk you want to place. That allows you to put on the stops where they need to be, of course. A lot of people very big on not trading less than £1 a point. But do you want to risk 450 quid on a trade? It either means you don't do this trade, which you should, or you end up risking far too much money, which is not the best idea. So the thing to do is trade with a broker that allows you to trade the size you want. 1391 went against you significantly. 250 points on the first day, and you're thinking, oh my God. And then down she goes. Beautiful day on Thursday last week. Really did tank. And now the market touching down to the bottom of the price envelope. Hit a low there on Friday last week there. Hit a low of 1304. So from that market there at 1391, we've moved what? 850 points? It's pretty big, isn't it? $85 move on gold. 850 points. Significant moves there, and very, very nice profits to be had on that gold market. So gold, silver, euro dollar, sterling dollar, big moves. And what about those indices as well? FTSE is a bit of a slow moving beast, so let's have a little bit of a focus on what's happening on the US indices. First of all, starting with the Dow. The Dow here had that buy. We talked about this again last week. The market moved up very nicely from the 4th of September and then moved aggressively into last week there. When we did the video, we were up about here last week for the trades of the week, moving on aggressively higher. This is a buy with the sniper. The trend's up as well, so all roads really leading higher. That target up to at least the top of this price envelope to 15,441. Really nice move there. And where have we gone now? We had 3 plus 100 point days on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday last week. Minor pullback Thursday. Lovely rally Friday, closing on its highs. And obviously that gap up that we've had on Monday morning there. Significant trade. This is absolute textbook. This is really one for the trading manual, to be honest with you. It's a buy. It's a sniper. The trend's up on the Dow and the market's moved significantly higher. And then finally, just to close it off for the week there, S&Ps again. Similar trade for obvious reasons, but you know what's happened on the S&Ps? We've actually broken fresh highs today. So today we've gapped up on that over the weekend. Same trade as the Dow really, a buy with a sniper and so on. Markets hit that pivot point, hit that resistance there from those August, end of July highs. Markets now holding that level this morning at 1707.6 currently trading. But you know what? That took out those August highs marginally, yes, marginally, but it has taken it out, and this is a new high now for the S&P 500. Really strong moves there on the equity markets. Great moves happening at the moment. So on those daily charts, really simple trading. I hate to use that word simple, really, but the markets are really flowing beautifully at the moment there and presenting us with some great profits on those longer term charts. So what have we talked about today? Profits on euro dollar, sterling dollar, Dow, S&Ps, gold and silver, all absolutely textbook trades there, straight from the trading manual there. These are not random markets, these are the biggest markets in the world. And if you'd like to know more about us, then obviously we do run live webinars when you can find out a lot more about what we do and how we teach people to use these indicators effectively there. And I think the next session's on Wednesday night. So you probably see a link just below this video. Anyway, have a good week. This is the trades of the week from Trend Signal, and hopefully we'll speak again soon. Bye-bye.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.